Hello students, we are studying working with function. Today I will teach scope of variables in Python. Our today's topic is scope of variables in Python. First of all, I would like to tell you what is the meaning of scope of variable, scope of function. Alright? Look the definition. The scope rule of a language are the rules that decide in which part of a program a particular piece of code means function or data item or variable can be accessed. I would like to tell you the concept of scope of variables is used in all programming languages. In C, in C++, Java, Python also uses the scope rule. And this scope rule decides, what decides? This scope rule decides which part of the program, which variable, which data items can be accessed from the program, which part of the program. Alright, I hope it is clear. Now, let us go ahead. In Python, there are two kinds of scope. First, global scope and second, local scope. Alright, what is global scope? From the name, the meaning is clear. Global, entire the program. Global means a function, a variable, a data items can be accessed from any part of the program. Alright, global का मतलब entire program. Local का मतलब within some specific area, within some specific block. I am telling you, name suggests or name clears the meaning of the scope of variable. Global means entire program. Local means some specific function, some specific blocks area. Now let us say global scope. I will give you the example that explains local and global scope in this video. Global scope, a variable name or data items that is declared in the top level segment. Top level segment is also known as main function or main part of the program. So in the bracket I wrote underscore main underscore. A variable name, data items declared in the top level segment of a program is said to have a global scope. Alright, this is the definition. What happens in this? These functions and variables that is declared in the global scopes can be used inside whole program and in all blocks. And in all blocks, यहाँ आप ऐड कर लीजिए in all blocks of the program. All right. Meaning suggested a function, a variable that is declared as global can be used, can be accessed inside whole program and all blocks of the program. Alright, now let us see the definition of the local scope.